That sounds like the opposite of a distraction.
Trust me. I call it the upchuck. Works every time. Oh, sweet bunny on a spit. Oh, Papa! Oh, no! Oh, you know what mutton does to you? What the fuck are you doing? You sound like a broken goat. Blow chunks like you mean it.
How?
Just better. Just be better. But maybe cry a little.